Hi Cancerians, welcome back to my channel SHL Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS running. Let's start with your reading, though timeless readings, but right from 31st of May till 6th of June 2021. You can exceed it if you want. Okay, so the message coming is, there's this leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf, that is crossing wind. So it's not even landing, it's in the air and it's crossing very fast, which means there is a wind below. There is this fast pace of something happening. This may be your own energy, and there is a great or high demand of crossing something. Means kind of like there's a lap in your life and you're crossing. There's a step up, kind of like energy in the stepping up stairs. Something is happening which is kind of giving me something that is upcoming, like it's about to come, future event, or maybe something, a change of season, maybe something kind of migration happening for you, like you are the leaf and you're just crossing. Maybe this is communication, okay? Communication possible with the King of Pentacles here. Maybe male figure, may go for female. Aries, I'm sorry, why Aries? So possible Aries, I don't know. This is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Why I said Aries? It's a fire sign. Maybe in your natal chart somewhere, or maybe you're dealing or you dealt with someone. But Aries is the energy of Emperor, and possible they're trying to say that there's going to be hold on the situation. You're going to overcome something, or you are overcoming, and there's a better chance of, I'm hearing, experimenting. Okay, so maybe experimenting something. Okay, we'll see what is your overall energy. Hold on communication. The thing that you need to say, you're going to say. There's a leaf, and it's not dry, it's basically green, which means there's a lot that is yet to happen for you, and in the meantime you're learning, you're acknowledging, you're moving. This may be something that you're going to say to someone, or someone is going to say to you. Okay, it goes very well because there's Mother Earth blessing you with something. So possible it is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy person, or just in case you're going to have communication with them. I heard Cancerian, you're in huge demand. May it be for a particular person or energies, may it be connected with your work area. I see you're in huge demand. Someone does want your presence, your advice, your intellect, your ability, kind of what you have. They want guidance for that, or they just want you to work for. You're in high demand. This may be even love. You saw that? This is a wand energy, fire. And the one I said, Aries, I was about to say Aries, okay? And of course, then I was about to say further Aries, Leo, Sag. But I stopped on Aries because that was earth element. However, there may be some settlement happening with the person, or someone does want to contact you here. I'm having a very heavy energy. You're in high demand. You even don't know. You're kind of like a secret keeper. You know what? You have something that they really want to cherish, they really want to, or they adore, and they really want to know. King of Wands energy, passion running, soul to soul. There is someone whose focus is on you. You see this wand? The wand is having leaves. One leaf. Okay, so they want you to attach with them. Or someone does want to join your forces, which was about circle. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. King, maybe a queen, but it's a king. We're going to stick to it. So maybe female, however it goes. But there's fire sign. So there is someone who is looking at you with passion, possibly you don't know, unaware. This is a secret. Oh my God, this secret admirer for some of you Cancerians. You're in high demand, so possible communication with this person. You're going to lead to, this person is aware about you, okay? They've been talking about you and you don't know. Secret admirer, someone who does adore you, they want to talk to you. High demand. Sudden contact can happen because this person is not random. No, like kind of like, no, they're not coming for a single hi. So your overall energy is this. Some of you haven't talked with them for in like 10 months or so, possible. Or something that ended drastically and you haven't heard from this person for in a long time. Close the chapters and all this stuff was happened actually. I feel that energy. But someone is looking to you and you don't know the other side. Someone watching you. You don't know. Cancerians. Someone is gathering information about you, or you are gathering information about the other energy. So possible this person is connected with you. You're gathering information about the energy via them. Watching something, what is happening, or sending message. You're going to feel light in this time frame, more light. Work in process. 2 of Wands energy. So it's a high demand, like you are in high demand, okay? I feel. Especially with 2 of Wands energy, there's a lot of discussion that is left, or there's a lot of discussion that is going to happen. This may be with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, so this may be something that your focus is, and this is about you're going to send communication, a message or something like that to the person on the other side. You haven't heard from them, or they are going to. 2 of Wands, there may be something, a long-term process, like long-term planning. Something is happening here, preparation is happening. It's yet not totally manifested, but it's in process. I feel like you're going to hear from someone from far. You're going to feel the change in this coming time. So when you're going to hear this, it's about the week, okay? But I always say these are my timeless readings. So we have to give the dates though. Sometimes I don't even put the dates. However, this is going to change your next coming 2 weeks or 2 months, okay? You will have something to think, plan and process. Think, plan and process. 8 of Wands energy. So if you're coming from the recent past energy, this is something that is a move, something that is connected with communication that is going to happen. To and fro, yes. Very quick, yes. You're going to be like in awe, kind of, how it is happening, why it is happening. You won't know because this is something work in process. This may be an offering coming, Ace of Cups, and this may be sudden appearance or sudden arrival of love from the person you were interested or you never thought of though, but they're going to express it somehow because they are interested. So it's like, you know, anonymously, not aware, but you talk and then they're going to end up saying something. This is love coming very fast. So in your present, this is also self-love, this is adoration, but this is also positivity entering in your life. I hear directional change in your life after this Hermit. This may be because of Virgo, but this may be just your own. So some of you will have love communication, love talks, love moves, and on a very high rate, pulse rate. Let's see in your future. 4 of Wands energy. Some homecoming or settling of work related as well. Now, it's going to be very emotional for you, Cancerians. Maybe with the Piscean, but it's going to be very emotional for you. Something is going to be celebration mode here, but it's also something connected with duality of the state, something that you are unaware, something that will be given to you, or someone will spill their words in front of you, and it's going to be, what should I do? Because you're keeping things inside and you are going to know about the other side. Emotional time connected with love or certain situation. You're going to feel very overwhelmed, I feel. The one who went away, or you stopped, maybe a U-turn or return, or there may be duality of trusting someone who walked away, or you just parted ways kind of, or you stopped talking, and it could be a friend even, or some acquaintance. Someone is returning, so you are going to see the leaf that once was. message or something. There's a duality in the love as well. Now here duality is about you're not sure, or there may be choice, 2 of Wands energy possible. Or there is something that is putting you in the situation of trusting this person or energy, or it's going to be the bark of loyalty. Wow. And there's going to be the howl of wolf instinct. What you're going to choose. Big matter is coming in your future. Love related. To trust or not to trust. Who to trust, because there's going to be present and past. Wait, I don't know what to do. The Lovers, Gemini, but with the Lovers does come choices. With the Lovers come wise decisions. With the Lovers come yin and yang. Boom, you go. You'll be at cross. You're going to talk to, I don't know, they're giving me two energies. 2 energies. I don't know whether it's like right in your past is coming, and then in your present there is something happening, and then you will be in the position to what to do. Of course you're going to make wise decision. You're not going to just go like that, because you know that how to take care of yourself. Watch it what you do. To a source. You can hardly talk or hardly decide about this person, or there's going to be something. Okay. You're going to talk with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel that. Air. I talked all about air. You are the leaf, or you have the leaf, and it's in the air and it's crossing. So your energy is air, air, air. Communication possible. I can't see, but it's air. AIR. And you also have Earth. Maybe a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some practical decision. Mother Earth is blessing you. I'm telling you. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.